Did you know that every time you stream a video, play an online game, or send an email, you are using either TCP or UDP? Hey everyone, nice to see you back. If you've ever wondered why some internet services are super fast while others reliable, it all comes down to TCP and UDP, two core networking protocols that make the internet work. In this video, we'll see what TCP and UDP are, how they work behind the scenes, their key differences, and real-life use cases. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why online gaming, video streaming, and web browsing use different protocols and which one is best in each and every scenario. Let's get started. So what is TCP? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and it serves the reliability and the accuracy. TCP usually reminds me of that super cautious friend who double checks everything every single time. It ensures that every single packet of data is received in the correct order, even if it has to send lost packets. Imagine that you are sending a registered mail package. You get a confirmation that it was delivered successfully. That's how exactly TCP works. But how does it ensure reliability? It follows a process called the three-way handshake to establish a stable connection. First, the sender initiates a connection. Then receiver acknowledges the request, and then sender confirms and the connection is established. Once the connection is open, every packet sent must be acknowledged by the receiver. If something gets lost, TCP will automatically request a retransmission to ensure nothing is missing. Where do we use TCP? We use it every day without even thinking about it. Browsing websites, sending emails, transferring files, banking applications, and pretty much anything where you can afford data loss. But what if speed is important than perfection? That's where UDP comes in. UDP stands User Datagram Protocol, and it serves the speed and it doesn't care about reliability at all. It's like that friend who talks super fast and occasionally misses details, but gets the main point across quickly. Unlike TCP, there's no handshake, no error checking, and no retransmission, which means packets are just sent as fast as possible. If packets get lost or arrive out of order, UDP doesn't try to fix it, it just keeps going. Think of UDP like sending a live video broadcast. You want the data to reach as fast as possible, and if a few frames are lost, it doesn't matter much. Speed is more important than getting every single pixel perfect. I learned this the hard way when I was setting up a security camera system. I initially configured it to use TCP because I thought more reliable must be better. But the video was laggy and unusable. Switching to UDP made it smooth instantly. Sure, occasionally there'd be a glitch, but that was way better than constant lag. So where do we actually use it? Online gaming, live streaming, VIP calls. And which one should you use? If reliability matters more than speed, use TCP. If speed is more important than accuracy, use UDP. Or use both. Many services like Netflix actually use both protocols. They start with TCP for initial buffering, then switch to UDP for fast, smooth streaming once everything is set up. Pretty clever. So there you have it. TCP versus UDP, simplified and explained. These protocols might seem like boring technical stuff, but they are actually a backbone of everything we do online. Understanding them helped me troubleshoot countless network issues over the years. Now I want to hear from you. Which protocol do you use the most and for what? Have you ever fixed a connectivity issue by switching protocols? See you in the next video. Peace.